Sometimes when we measure an element there are pure squares in black. We do a therapy and the change was minimal. It changed an element from 6 to 4, it changed a minimal element, therefore we can think that there will be practically no therapeutic effect, but if we do, the analysis here of capillary, we enter the test, we obviously see five pathologies that are in minor, they are in red here with a greater probability, and if we for example check here, there are no microorganisms, we leave here and check how it was after metatherapy. We put current analysis, we put tests, and obviously we notice the enormous therapeutic effect, enormous, that is, of the 4 or 5 pathologies that were in a range, in a lower range, they were in red, in a range less than 0.425, obviously the therapeutic effect is seen, therefore. Despite not noticing changes, despite not noticing change in therapy, for example we have see here the head and we see here a therapy is practically the same, right? Therefore, we place analysis and we are going to see before the therapy neurangiosis 0.4 tonsillitis pollinosis, and therefore in red 0.413 we come out 0.413 and we observe here how it was after there was a therapy. So neurangiosis, look, it's at 1.5, you see. 1.5, because that was what was most altered, therefore in neurangiosis it was obviously much better. So here we are observing that despite the fact that visually, for example, I clearly observe here we went from a brown color to a green color, there was a fairly big improvement, we went from a brown color to a green color, but obviously we have to be confident that despite, for example, we are going to see this in this other one, the change is almost the same, you realize it remains in the 2 points, it is the same visually already, but if we do the analysis here of the entire thorax we will see before the therapy neuralgia 0.7 since it means that there is pain, there is already pain probably of something what we are seeing something respiratory 0.7 we do the analysis then obviously neuralgia 2.9 and therefore there we see the change that despite the fact that the analysis, the graphic analysis obviously can be. It did not modify anything. The more detailed analysis of what is called the spectral similarity index, this number is called the spectral similarity index, obviously the therapeutic change is seen.